All right, I think we're live. All right, hi everyone. Haven't streamed in a while, but I've been doing stuff for the summer, and I don't know, just haven't been gaming much. But I have been coding just as the last few days, and so I wanted to demo my own game that I just put together. So in my past, I've used Unreal. I was trying to go with that, but that's pretty intense and too much for my computer to load, really, with all the different assets. Takes up a lot of space pretty quick. Just going mobile here. All right. Well, I'm not expecting to get anybody on here live, but maybe I'll go ahead and edit this together for a YouTube video. But the gist is, I just started messing around with Unity in the last couple days. I figured it's something my computer can run, and it, made games like Cuphead and stuff, so there's got to be a good backing behind some of its power. It's like the second most recommended other than Unreal Engine. And Unreal Engine is awesome, but really takes a lot, and I hate blueprints. Unity's great for C# coding, and it gets like right into it with a great automatic connection to the project. The feedback is tremendous, and it just happens so quickly and seamlessly. It's you just get into it really fast. So initially, this all just came from a basic borderline tutorial. Let me see if I can get something shared here. So let's see here. I'm going to get my camera squished down so I'm less intrusive. And I'll give a little bit of a background since nobody's watching anyway, and I need to, I probably shouldn't have this right in front, but I need to, I'll go ahead and just give a background of where it all started. So just a few days ago I watched this one video. Let's see if I can get this switched over. But it was a very basic Flappy Bird game. Just had the bouncing bird. There was nothing else to it. No animation, nothing complicated, just a fixed sprite that just kind of bounced along, and then just some tubes that went up and down. Very basic. Did a score, did a restart. That was basically it. Actually didn't even have a way of exiting the game, but I went ahead and made it. Then I kept adding more, getting better assets, and then getting things kind of tweaked up a little bit. And then since everything's done in C# and you can really dig into the objects and customize the script so well, I was able to do a lot of customization. So I made a game that I'm going to try to load up here, and we're going to go ahead and get it going. Now, it doesn't have a proper intro. It's not like a game where you just click start and then all of a sudden it just goes. And then if you die, then you restart. The reason for that is I don't know how to add a starting thing at this point, and the restart function basically, as far as the tutorial went, just reloaded the scene, so it's restarting the whole entire thing. So it's not a proper reload, it's a full reload, but it's not like a restart. It's just a re-instance. So it's going to go ahead and just start right away, but I put a little bit of work into it, so I'll try to be quiet while I get it started. Just double checking that it's all okay. Here we go. Oh no. Okay. I didn't even get that far. Let me go ahead and try. Alright. 36. High score. Alright, so you can always just click play again. I got to this wizard area at the end. It gets pretty intense. I mean, it's going to get faster and faster. You'll eventually die. What do you expect from a game like that? But I think it's pretty awesome. Modified Flappy Bird. Did the stars, clouds, moon, all sorts of stuff added. Crows, snaps, and directions, sound effects, music, slaps, and particle effects. Trying to do some good, decent graphics on it. Did the alternating. It doesn't alternate all the time. It's just random. Different obstacles. I can get more of those. Anything else that was fun in this? Just putting together the whole background scene. It's a mixture of several images and then just throwing in some 3D objects, and then you can put a lighting on a image and it gives it that it randomly switching between colors, kind of switching the RGB values kind of randomly, which is why it gives it that effect. But that is how that works, and it's different every single game. So sometimes it's red, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's blue. Got that cool moon. I understand the stars do move faster than the moon, but they do move behind the moon, so that's important. Oh no. Oh, also, it does work if you exit the game. Lose my video. Okay, it's But this was all made in about 3 days, under 3 days. Saturday night at 7:30, so 2 days and change. But so far, Unity has been a pretty awesome tool. And even though this is a fairly basic game, just the ability to add so many complicated elements and have it work fairly seamlessly is going to be awesome. and we can work on other projects if anybody has any ideas or more feedback. I want to do something with controller support and keyboard support. I don't know if there's like a bottom shooter kind of. I want to stick to 2D games because one, they're a lot easier to find. Reset the high school. Well, see, reset the high school. 2D games just don't require a team to make. I'd rather do a platformer. I'd like to do a combination of platformer, RPG. It's like kind of more of a long form game, but done platformer style. So still have to work on that and figure out how to code games like that in Unity, but I do have an idea where to get started. We got this compiled and made, and we're going to see if it actually, oh no. We're going to see if it actually work as a zip, drag, and drop standalone game. This is it compiled, so got everything together. Oh no! If anybody's looking for an amateur game developer that has experienced programming, this is what I did with the tutorial. I got camera shakes, but I'm still trying to think if there's anything else. Still kind of keeping the essence of the game. I'm not sure how this audio is coming out. The game audio is probably really loud. Well, if this is trash, I'll go ahead and redo it. See, anyways, pretty fun. I'll go ahead and exit out of here though. Now I got a new high score, 36 there. Still haven't gotten past the Dark Sorcerer. Alright, well, I think that'll be over for this one, and probably up on YouTube or something, because there's no way I'm getting a person in 17 minutes. Alright, have a good time, everyone.